Greetings and salutations and welcome to the fourth installment of the GC8 track car build. Now, if you remember in the last episode, we won a dump valve off eBay and fitted it to the car. Then we went on some excursions, some near, some far, looking for used parts for the GC8. And while we were looking for those new parts, we met some Scooby friends. In this episode, first things first, it's vital that we make sure the engine is serviced. Once we know the engine sound, we take it on a road trip. Will this new GC8 I brought for £1,600 make it all the way down to Cardiff? There's only one way to find out. This episode's going to be fantastic. But before we get into today's video, I want to give a shout out to the top comments for the last video. I want to say thank you so much for all the comments. But the top two comments which really stood out for me was Scooby Sean 555, who said he never clicked so fast. Literally, he clicked as soon as I uploaded the video. That's what we want. So you have to make sure you subscribe to the channel to get the content as it comes out. And the next comment goes to Scooby Francis, who says there's honestly no better community than the Subaru community. I want a mean eye so bad. Absolutely love the looks of those GC8 guys. And that's right, the Subaru community is so awesome. There's so much love and there's so much support with different groups who go on regular tours and shows like East Midlands Subaru Group, who I'm a part of. So please keep supporting the channel and I'll see you in the next show. Right, let's get on with the video. Right, so on my last servicing video, if you haven't already seen it, I serviced the Suzuki Swift. Today, we're going to service the almighty GC8. Okay, big sigh there because you know these engines are never ever straightforward. Spark plugs aren't just on the top like I did on the Suzuki. Literally, you got to strip that side down to get to the plugs. And even when you do get to the plugs, you have to use a certain extension to get in, take them out, but not too big. We won't be able to get it in. So literally, I've seen it done so many times. I've done it a few times. It's not the nicest job to do, but I'm going to do it because it needs doing, and definitely the oil needs dropping. So first of all, I'm going to start with the plugs because they're going to be the hardest. Well, not hard, but they're not as straightforward as I would like them to be. So first of all, battery off, windscreen washer fluid off, and then this air intake off, airbox off, and then we should have some visibility to the plugs on the side. Right, let's go. Right, change of plan. I was going to start with the plugs, but it makes sense just to start with the oil, and while the oil's draining, just do the plugs, yeah? So let's just go with that. Okay, let's go underneath. So like I said, this Impreza is original. It's even got an under tray. So I need to get this under tray off. And maybe once it's off, it's staying off. Right, okay, let's just get this under tray off. Under trays, eh? Okay, so inadvertently we've got the under tray off. All this is original, like literally under tray, even the under tray for the gearbox as well. I haven't seen that. I've not seen that for ages. Original cat, dual cat, all the way down there. Just need a new CV gator though, that's bust over there. I need to get that changed, definitely. Better make that an order. And it needs a rocker cover on that side. And that side rocker cover gasket doing. Other than that, it's all good. These headers are coming off. They need to come off. And then yeah, let's see. Right, let's not dilly dally. Let's get this oil off and this oil filter off, and then we'll start on the plugs. Let's go. Right, the evening's drawing near. That's the oil drop now, thank God. Right, so now we're gonna let it just settle for a little bit. We don't want it to run dry, but you know, we just want it to settle for a little bit. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start stripping this side down and then stripping that side down. Do this side first, we're gonna take the battery off anyway, so let's go. Right, anyone who knows Subaru track racing, you know, if you're planning to just keep it standard, you run 6Bs, but I ain't planning on keeping it standard, so running PFR 7Bs, yeah? Run a little bit cooler, a lot better for the engine when we start tuning it up. So yeah, we're gonna get these 7Bs installed, yeah? Let's go. Right, so that's all the plugs in now. So what we want to do is the last thing, second to last thing, is install the K&N. We're going K&N now. K&N Performance, that's what we want. The evening's drawing near, sun's in my eyes. So we're going to put this K&N in, fill it up with oil, start it, see how it goes. Let's go. Right, the end is near and we're tired now, so the last thing to do is pour the oil back in. That's what we're going to do now. I'm about to start it. I thought, oh no, oil. Let me get the oil in and then we'll go from there, yeah? So now the car's all serviced, there's only one thing to do. Go on a road trip. Right, okay, so we have made it to Cardiff in the GC8. Okay, so if I'm gonna give my opinion, I think there's a boost leak somewhere in it, because what happens is when you drive, when you're boosting, it's a bit hesitant. There's a few flat spots somewhere. Now, I know I installed a dump valve in it, but I don't know if I installed a gasket on that dump valve. I don't know if it's leaking too much pressure from there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna install the gasket, and I'm gonna fit that gasket as soon as I get home. But I was gonna take it a slow drive home. Yeah, so we're just gonna explore Cardiff, see what's about in the GC8. Well, it's not cold, but it's very windy and it's a bit overcast. Anyway, in Cardiff Bay, big wheel, nice bay. So the oil and the water hasn't moved since I serviced it. It hasn't dropped down, it's not leaking. It seems to be all right. So yeah, let's go on a bit of a journey. Check the tyres at the petrol station, fill up, and let's go from there. Right, let's go. Sun's out, clear skies, it's absolutely beautiful. So we're about 40 minutes away from the Black Mountains. Scooby seems to be doing all right. We've got the hiccups. Right, so we're here. Black Mountains. Is that a sheep in the middle of the road? Yeah. Is that a sheep with a lamb in the middle of the road? No way. Whoa. Whoa. Bro, you gotta move, innit? Ah, safe, bro. Safe. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, my brother. Thank you. There we go. Alright, I've got a car behind me, so I'm gonna make haste. Right. And this is the wonderful Black Mountains. We're doing it in a GC8. Which is not boosting the best. How did I miss the obvious? Take note, as this is a big clue for what's about to come in a future episode. But we're just, you know, going around. I think when I came up here last time it was pretty cold. But absolute beautiful scenes around here. I'm just going slowly because I don't want to run into any sheep. I popped up there the last time. Boy, round the corner. Whoa. I need coilovers, I need coilovers. I need coilovers. Don't worry, BCs are going on here soon. So yeah, we're nearly here. We're going to park up in the car park. And then yeah, this is the Black Mountains. Beautiful, death-defying hills, drops. I'm telling you. Let's just park up here for a minute. Right, so we made it to the Black Mountains. Oh yeah, look. Wow. Absolutely beautiful scenery. Yes, all the way back. And that's as much time as we have in this video. However, in the next video, we drive back from Wales to Nottingham via Loughborough. And what's in Loughborough? Scooby World. And what do we buy in Scooby World? A Wellbro 255 uprated fuel pump. And what do we do with the Wellbro 255? We install it in the GC8 ourselves. Stay with us as we do another DIY upgrade to the GC8 on the driveway. It's going to be fantastic. Remember, always BiggieJDM. Remember to like, share, subscribe, to tell a friend. If you can't be good, be careful. Keep supporting us. We need your support. Remember to hit that subscribe button. See you in the next episode.